What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here. Why dirty your pots when you can use your Ace Instapot blender? Let's get started. We're going to be making a lentil soup, Mediterranean style. You either need a few ingredients. You're just going to kind of plop them into the blender. So you're going to start off with 3 cups of chicken broth. Now, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. We're also going to need half a cup of chopped potatoes, roughly chopped, nothing pretty. And then we're going to also add half a cup of chopped onions. Just kind of toss those right in. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, or you have an idea of something that you want me to do, please leave me a comment. I always respond. We're going to add 3 garlic cloves chopped. Now, I guess you don't necessarily need to chop them. You can kind of just throw them in. We'll need 1 teaspoon of salt. Also 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I can never say that word right. Anyhow, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. And we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of canola oil, or any oil that you kind of have around. Olive oil will work as well. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And most important, we're going to go with 1 cup of dried red lentils. So we'll go ahead, put the lid on, and kind of get things going. So with this blender, you got to make sure the lid's always in a locked position. It is going to be cooking and blending at the same time. So we're going to go ahead and hit the soup button. Make sure you hit it twice for setting number 2. That'll give you a finer puree and also a longer time. The blender will naturally start calculating how hot it's getting on the inside, and before you know it, it'll start pulsating, slowly blending things and cooking it at the same time. So we're almost done. I'll give it a final blend right at the very end. And it did take about 22 minutes. Probably by the time it heated up, we'll call it closer to 25 minutes. And this is the finished product. A nice, smooth lentil soup. I also put some pita right in the oven, crisped it up, gave it a little rough cut, and those are like my little pita chips. You can go ahead and dip those in. Highly addictive. This is a great meal to have on a cold day, especially here in Canada. It's pretty cold. So enjoy, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Click on that little bell if you want to get notifications each time I post a video. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Enjoy this meal.